Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to your YouTube channel. So the process is going to be very simple. And nowadays, it is not going to be possible to connect these two platforms, even though they are going to be the same product for the same company, which is going to be Google. But here, Google Analytics or GA4 is now going to be independent. So you can go ahead and add the traffic from here like we used to do, but here you cannot integrate it directly to the YouTube channel. So you need to set up websites that will include your, let's say, YouTube videos as hosters. So now the replacement of that process, Google has thought about something that they are going to add a metric similar to Google Analytics or GA4 into the YouTube channel. So when you are going to head over YouTube Studio, you're going to see in you here on this left side, as you can see, dashboard and also controls panels, we're going to see some elements. And from them, we are going to see analytics. And these analytics are going to have the same metrics and also the same algorithm that Google Analytics or GA4 uses usually. So we are going to have only the key features or the more important features that will allow our channel to grow up or set up here some calculation, analytics, and also some analysis. So let's talk about these features. So when you are going to head over the channel analytics, you're going to have the overview about the watch time, the number of views, and the number of subscribers. Also, they have added the real time or the updating live about the subscribers and the views. So you're going to see also the content or the analytic about the content as so of the views, impressions, click-through rate, and average view duration. So all of these analytics are going to be here focused on the main goal of your YouTube channel. That means that you are going to see the real analytic about that video. So in the Google Analytic, you're going to see here the sources and also the, let's say, the reports that are going to be more detailed than those that are integrated on YouTube Studio. But it is what it is. So you're going to understand by here that the YouTube has made this analytic or the YouTube Studio analytic something that is going to be focused only on the data that will give you from YouTube. So, so that means that it is going to be set up for organic visitors or also some, let's say, redirected or referral visitors. So you can here see the audience and also the trends that you have and also that we have here. So you are going to get an idea on how we can create some keywords, add some videos, or getting some ideas about some, let's say, trending videos. So that is going to be a very sophisticated way to help you out to overcome the channels or the videos that are trending on YouTube. So in here, that was for the channel analytics. We have the content or the video analytic itself. So as you can see here at the right side of the screen, we have the latest content. So it is going to be the video analytics. So we are going to click on see video analytic, and now we are going to have here another dashboard which is going to be concerning only the video analytics. So you can overview the video, the reach of the video, the engagement, and also see the audience that we have on this video. So we are going to compare here between the returning viewers, the unique viewers, and also the subscribers that has been watching that video. So here you're going to see the audience retention, and also you can provide more or see more, as you can see here, tables or charts that are going to have the detailed about or more details about that specific audience. You can also track the traffic source of these, as you can see, audiences that you have or the views that you have gained. So for example, here we have the external, the browse feature, channel pages, direct or unknown, and also YouTube search. So you are going to see them all in one place. You can also filter them by the date and also the time. So for the reach, you're going to have some charts and also about the impression and the percentage of the external sites and apps that have been given some organic or let's say paid traffic about your setup video. For the engagement, it is going to have the watch time per hour and also the average view duration about that video. You're going to have the percentage of the likes and dislikes, and also the click rate that you have on the videos. And finally, the audience is going to have here the same feature that we've had on the channel analytic. But this audience is going to be only for the video retention that caused the or provoked the subscribers or the viewers to subscribe to your channel. So you are going to see here the details about these type of population, also the geography and top subtitle that has been followed into your channel if you have saved or put some multiple languages. Basically, this is the replacement or the full replacement of a Google Analytics that we could have added on the past, but in these or today's YouTube studios, we cannot unfortunately integrate it, but we have the same metrics, also the same algorithm. So that means that it is going to be very sufficient for you to have the overview about your channel, the videos, and also the audience that you are going to have and influence. The video or the channel analytics has also an advanced mode that will group some here specific views or specific filters into the video, or you can go ahead and see about your channel. So we have here the geography, the cities, the viewer age, the viewer gender, dates, device type, products, and more. We have tons and tons of filters that you can go ahead and track the audiences and followers. So basically, that was all for today's video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.